Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making basil chicken stew. It's a stew that you infuse basil into it, allowing all these flavors infused inside. So kindly like my channel, subscribe, and let's get down to it. In a pot, add 1 part groundnut oil or olive oil or canola oil, whichever one that you have, and 1 part palm oil. Now this is the key to making a very sweet basil chicken stew. Once it's heated, add your onions, your chopped onions. Add a bit of curry and thyme to fuse and release its flavors into the oil. Still add extra onions. Sometimes I like putting onions already chopped inside the bowl that I use for the palm oil and just mix it and then turn it so no oil is wasted. Now add your bay leaves. I know, right? This is going to be so flavorful. I don't even know what to say. Add your puree, tomatoes, peppers, and onions. Now you can steam it a bit to reduce the oil, to reduce the water. You can actually just strain it to actually reduce the water. Also cover, allow to simmer or fry for a bit, maybe about 10-15 minutes depending on how watery your puree is. Give that a good stir. Now add your bouillon cubes, add a bit of salt, not too much. Remember, you've already boiled your chicken that is already seasoned, so you're going to be using part of that stock, so you really don't want it so salty. Give that a very good stir. Your kitchen should be smelling heavenly by now. Once it's simmering for another 5 minutes to allow the bouillon cubes and the salt to enter into the puree, now you add your chicken. I use freshly killed chicken for this. I got it from a farm that sells strictly organic chicken. Add your chicken stock. Remember, when cooking stews, you really don't have to add all the stocks that come from the stew. You could save it from the chicken or the meat or whatever. You can save it for later so that your stew doesn't become so watery. Give that a good stir, like that. I love stirring sauces. Cover and allow to simmer. At this point, you reduce the heat to low so that it will take time to seep into the chicken. Slowly cooking chicken in broths and sauces makes all the ingredients and the flavors enter into the chicken. So when you are eating it, it is just amazing. And can you see that it's slowly being cooked? Look at that. Just look at that. Add your chopped basil leaf. This is the key to this dish. You add it and then you give it a stir, just like that. Just give it a good stir, just like that. Oh my god, I really don't like my vegetables cooked to be very, very tender. So once you've stirred it, just like that, cover it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Give that a stir again, then turn off the heat because it will continue to cook just as it's still on fire and it's still hot. And your basil stew is ready, guys. This stew is just amazing. Whether you're eating it with rice, yam, potatoes, bread. My husband had it with bread and it was just so good. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click